importance of R. So, the UK's Big Four supermarket had been engaged in this price war as German discounters expanded rapidly in the UK. And one of the leading supermarkets in the United Kingdom, Sainsbury's, was facing this business problem with declining sales during early 2016. Now, the company for 2 straight years had profit decline, and now its share value had fallen by 7% over the past month. But in a few months, Sainsbury was able to regain its hold in the market and be the biggest riser of Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 index. Now, how in the world did the supermarket achieve this? It had a variety of strategies implemented, but one thing it did was deploy our software into its ecosystem. First, the retail store's daily sales are updated and refreshed every 30 minutes from this local retail store machines to this big data server. And now the R system is connected to the big data server to analyze real-time data. This is extremely important, the real-time piece. Now the models and code are built up in R to trace any decline in sales as per the forecasting model prediction. So this live R real-time system will immediately throw alerts if the sales go below the bottom cutoff limit, this threshold defined in the time series forecasting model. And the a priori algorithm would then give offers on associated products. And the time series forecasting modeling technique is deployed to trigger any decline in sales. R is a free open source language used as a statistical and visualization software that can handle structured as well as semi-structured data. Firstly, it's available across all platforms. So you can install R on Linux, on Mac, and on Windows. It has the ability to integrate with procedures written in C, C++, .NET, Python, or Fortran. In fact, a lot of packages are written in some of these languages. It's extremely effective with data handling and good at storage. And it provides an extremely wide variety of integrated collection of tools for data analytics. One of my absolute favorite things about R is its repository system. Now, there's 2 absolutely wonderful things about that system. First, it's integrated directly into R, and anyone who creates a package loads it into the CRAN repository. What this means is any updates are essentially one line of code away to have the latest and greatest. The other is that the community is very strong. There are thousands of packages within CRAN. So this comprehensive R archive network, it's a network of sites that act as a primary web service. So it distributes all these R sources, binaries, packages, and documentation. Well, first, R is open source. It's absolutely free. You can install it today. Your organization can install it. There's no issues whatsoever and no cost associated with it. Because R was developed in academia by statisticians, it started first as a statistical software. So complex stat models such as linear and logistic regression, hypothesis testing, ANOVA, ANCOVA, MANOVA, generalized linear models, anything you could think of within the statistical realm can be run. R has an absolutely fantastic set of tools for aiding in visualization. You can create graphs, bar charts, lattice charts, scatter plots. You can custom design your own charts. Now, R has built-in visualizations. There's a variety of packages, but one of the most prominent worldwide recognized packages that almost everyone downloads is called ggplot. And the visualizations on that are bar none. R has machine learning algorithms. Whether support vector machines, naive Bayes, XG and AdaBoost, decision trees, random forest, all these are available in R. And as time goes on, they're continually updated to get better over time and provide better accuracy based on the code for those algorithms. Other software also recognizes R code, so you can write R code in SAS, and other programmers are getting more and more familiar with R. And R is getting better with semi-structured data as well. Programmers or statisticians can define their customized algorithms in R and develop their own algorithms and packages. So if you ever have a need and you find that an algorithm or a package doesn't exist, you are capable of creating that and then uploading it into the CRAN repository for anyone to use.